Hey, it's Steve Jaffe. Pay attention in this short video. You're going to learn how to become a top earner in any network marketing opportunity using the internet without recruiting friends and family, without doing meetings, without prospecting strangers. This is based on what I've done to go from ground zero to a multiple six-figure income from home, become a top producer in my own opportunity, hit $30,000 months, taking my business beyond that. Very, very powerful stuff. Going to start the training in a moment. At any point, click the link right below this video, enter your email address, get my online sponsoring video bootcamp. You'll get one training video per day in your inbox over the next 10 days, how to generate leads, how to recruit online, how to sponsor reps, much more than I can put into just this video. Right on that page after you enter your email address, be sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook. Best training guide in the industry, hands down, how to grow your business using the internet. The author, Fernie Ceballos, MIT graduate, 8-figure income earner. The guy's basically a marketing genius. This is the blueprint that I followed to hit $30,000 months. Get this guide. It is unbelievably valuable. All right, let's get right into the training. Step 1, build a list. Build a list. And by list, I mean a list of leads. Generate leads so you have an ever-growing list of leads that you have generated using the internet. You will run out of friends and family to talk to about your opportunity. You've got to be generating your own leads. Leads that you generate will always convert into sales and signups much, much more effectively than leads that you buy. There's an expression, the money's in the list, because when you have your own list of leads, you always have people to introduce your opportunity to. You always have people to sell product to. More than that, if you decide to change companies, maybe the comp plan changes or management goes in a direction you don't like, you can't take your downline with you. That's forbidden by your company. But when you have your own list of leads, you can promote your new opportunity to your leads, and just like that, you've got a downline. This is how you can grow your next opportunity very quickly. It ensures your income today because you always have people to introduce your opportunity to and to sell to, and it protects your future. Step 2, warm your list. People only buy from those they feel like they know, like, and trust. You can't just generate leads and then immediately pitch them your opportunity or try to sell them your company's products. That will not work. You have to cultivate trust in advance of asking for the sale. More people get this wrong online than just about anything else. They're just pitch, pitch, pitch. No trust, no value. You have to cultivate trust in advance of asking for the sale. The way you do this, send short business tips out to your audience in the form of blog posts or short videos or live streams or whatever format's the right fit for you. Just be the messenger. Just summarize a little bit of a training that you learned online or from a video or from a webinar or a course that you've gone through or something you heard in an event. Just be the messenger. You don't need to be a guru, don't need to be the expert. You don't need to have had prior results. Just be the messenger. Look at any teacher you've had, elementary school, high school, college, doesn't matter. They didn't write the textbook. All they did was summarize what's in the textbook. That's all you need to do, just be the messenger. And when you've done this, you'll have a very warm audience. Now you move on to step 3, sell to your list. Sell to your audience, recruit them into your opportunity, sell them your company's products if you want to focus on retailing product. This is the approach that I used to hit $30,000 months and build a very successful business. Got a whole lot more training for you. Click the link below this video, enter your email address, get my online sponsoring video bootcamp. One training video per day over the next 10 days, how to generate leads online, how to recruit reps successfully, the right way, professionally online, how to sell product online. Right on that page after you enter your email address, be sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook that you see right on that page. Best, most thorough training guide in the industry, hands down for network marketers to crush it in any opportunity. This is the guide that I followed to recruit 221 people into one opportunity, create a very successful business using the internet. The author, Fernie Ceballos, is an MIT graduate. He's done over 10 million online. He's basically a marketing genius. I mean, this guy, he's one of my mentors. Get this guide. Click the link, enter your email address, get trained.